Hello everybody! Today we're going to unpack and take a close-up look at the Meguiar's Supreme Shine Microfiber Towels. So let's go ahead and open up the packet. So in this packet is a triple pack of the Meguiar's Supreme Shine Automotive Detailing Microfiber Towels. And these towels measure 16 inches by 24 inches or 40 centimeters by 60 centimeters. And taking a look at the back of the packet, there are a list of features for the Meguiar's Supreme Shine Microfiber Towels, as well as care instructions and guarantee information. Now let's go ahead and open up the packet. Of course, popping the flap open and being careful to dispose or discard the plastic packet carefully and away from young children or babies. So this Meguiar's Supreme Shine Microfiber Towels are also sold singularly instead of being sold as a triple pack. But here we go, taking a close-up look at this triple pack of microfiber automotive detailing towels or cloths. So they measure 40 centimeters by 60 centimeters or 16 inches by 24 inches in size. And just giving you a look as they are bundled together in this triple pack. Okay, so let's pop the towels out. Okay, so they are pinned to the card packaging. So let's very carefully snip the plastic tag off. Right there. And another one on the opposite side right there. And now sliding the towels off from their card packaging. I'm going to set that on the right hand side of the frame. And now giving you a closer up look at this triple pack of Meguiar's Supreme Shine Microfiber Towels. So as I mentioned, they are also sold individually. However, this is the triple pack. So they are microfiber towels and they do have a plush microfiber structure. And Meguiar's claims that they can absorb from 2 up to 3 times the water capacity of other microfiber towels or terry cloths. So just giving you a look. So they do have a pale yellow color to them, as you can see. And taking a look towards the opposite end of the towel as well. It's right there, giving you a close-up look. So they're nice and soft, and of course they do have a fairly thick pile to them. So giving you that close-up detail as to the plushness of the material. So microfiber construction. To provide maximum water absorption. And now just spreading the towels across so you can see that they are indeed a triple pack, and each one measuring 16 by 24 inches or 40 by 60 centimeters in size. Obviously they are currently folded up. So now just giving you a look. Let's pick the middle one right there and giving you that close-up look once again as to the overall texture and pile of this automotive detailing towel or cloth. So right there, just running my finger along the material, and let's open it up as well so you can see both ends. So they are double-sided, same construction and consistency on both sides. So just going to fold it over so you can see for yourself what both sides are like. And right there, giving you as close a look as I possibly can, and trying to avoid the shadow from my camcorder. So right there, giving you a look and just running my finger and thumb along the material. So right there, very nice and plush, as you can see right there. And of course the hemming as well, just in case you need to know, is nice and soft as well. So right there, giving you a look as to the softness of the material. So nice and fluffy and plush. This Meguiar's Supreme Shine Microfiber Towel in the 3-pack. And just taking a look at the tag as well. So it does have an 80% polyester and 20% polyamide construction. And the edge is 100% polyester. So right there, slight difference in terms of the construction from the edge against the body fabric or material. And the care instructions there, or wash instructions. So right there, nice, good look at the Meguiar's Supreme Shine Microfiber Towel. So that's the Meguiar's Supreme Shine Microfiber Towels. Thanks for watching and happy detailing!